Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to sync Brave browser across devices. If you use multiple devices like a phone, laptop, or tablet, keeping your browsing data consistent across all of them can save you a lot of time. With Brave browser, you can sync your bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings seamlessly between devices using a secure sync chain. To begin, open the Brave browser on your primary device. Once the browser is open, click on the menu icon, usually located in the top right corner, and navigate to the Settings section. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on the Sync option. This is where Brave allows you to connect multiple devices using its sync chain feature. To start syncing, select Start a new sync chain. Brave will then ask you to choose the type of device you're using, such as a computer or a phone. After selecting your device type, the browser will generate a sync code, which is a series of words or a QR code. This sync code is important because it securely connects your devices without requiring a traditional account login. Now move to your second device where you want to sync your data. Open Brave browser on that device, go to the settings, and again navigate to the sync section. This time, instead of creating a new sync chain, select Join an existing sync chain. You'll then be prompted to enter the sync code or scan the QR code generated from your first device. Once you enter the code correctly, the second device will join the sync chain, and Brave will begin syncing your data automatically. You can repeat this process for any additional devices you want to connect. All devices added to the same sync chain will share selected data. Brave also allows you to control what gets synced. Within the sync settings, you can choose exactly what data types you want to share across devices, giving you full control over your privacy. Because Brave browser focuses on privacy, your sync data is encrypted and no personal account is required to use the feature. Once the sync chain is set up, your browsing data will stay updated across all connected devices automatically, making it easier to continue your work or browsing from anywhere. To summarize, syncing Brave browser across devices involves creating a sync chain on your first device and then joining that chain on your other devices using a secure sync code. Once connected, your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing data will stay synchronized automatically, and you can customize exactly what information gets shared across devices. And that's how to sync Brave browser across devices. By creating a sync chain and connecting your devices, you can keep your browsing data consistent and accessible wherever you go. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.